Hi dear, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorials I am going to discuss about SEO tools that you need to do SEO in your Shopify online store. Also I am going to show you how we can add this SEO tools and we make our website SEO friendly and fix all the SEO issues uh, using this app. So let me show you this apps. So this app's name is SEO Expert Pro SEO tools, and this apps are actually image optimizer and best for one on-page SEO. Let's check their featured video to know about their feature. So I'm going to play this video right now. Okay, so we have watched their videos. Now we'll show what actually we are going to get from this SEO tools. So first of all, here the permit feature site SEO scanner. This apps will allow you to scan all the pages and products to identify the one page SEO issue and fix them easily inside the apps itself. So we can easily fix our website issues using these apps. And in the second, bulk image optimizer, we can optimize our all the images in our online store very quickly. And the next, we can generate a report on the website, or actually it generate a error report of our website and send us directly to our emails. So that's why we can know our website error, and we can take the step to do fix the all errors and make our website more ranking and increase their SEO score. Okay, so next, it helps us to update meta titles and description tag, and super easy to set up. I will show you how to we can set up these apps in the online Shopify store. We also can test our website speed, page speed, and mobile speed. Now we are going to add these apps in our online store. So first of all, I'm going to log in my online store Shopify. Okay, so we have login in online Shopify dashboard. So now I'm going to click on the apps, then click on the visit the Shopify app store. Then we will search this apps in the app store. So here the apps that we are going to set up in our online store. Click on the title of this apps. Now going to click on the add apps button. And click on the install apps. have successfully installed our apps. Now we can use these apps and it automatically check our website. So here the two critical errors found on my home page, and desktop speed is very poor, mobile speed also is so poor, not connected with Google Analytics and Google Webmaster Tools. I have to connect with that. Then there are others option we can use. So first of all, I'm going to click on the fix it now button. Meta description missing. Personal serving website helping to start business without any technical skills. Okay, so going to click on the save. I am fixing this issue, and we need to add more e-commerce assistant. Rest company for new entrepreneurs. Okay, for entrepreneurs. Okay, now I'm going to click on the save button, and going to click on the screen for SEO issue. Meta description too short. Keyword, we don't add any keyword, so I'm going to add keyword. Business assistant, Shopify assistant, developer. So I have added some keyword here. Okay, now going to check the mobile friendly. Actually this is the long-term process to make your website SEO friendly, and I don't want to cover the full guideline in this short video. So I'm going to click on the dashboard. Now check my website again. click on the product SEO. We can edit the title, everything from here. A special page SEO, SEO checklist, so everything we can draw this from here. And if you want to draw this, you need to SEO skill at least, but to use this plugin you don't need any technical skill. So I hope you understand, and if you need any help relevant Shopify store SEO and Shopify store setup, maintenance, customize, then you can contact with me. I will give you premium service. So thank you for watch this video. Thank you for your time to watch my video.